Hello everyone, welcome to the material for Del TOEFL preparation, and the topic for this video will be about listening comprehension part A, and the subtopic will be about listening for wishes and untrue conditions. So let's check the video today. So a very quick introduction about the listening for wishes and untrue conditions. It often appears that a conversation about listening about wishes and untrue conditions can be heard. So a very quick introduction about the material today. So conversations about wishes and untrue condition can appear in listening part A. So the very important thing to remember about wishes and untrue condition is that a wish or untrue condition implies that the opposite of the wish or the condition is true. So for example, if I say, I wish I have money, I wish I had money, then the reality is that I don't have any money. So something like that. Okay, so that's the example, but there are more examples over here that I have made. So the easiest way to identify whether these expressions are wishes or untrue condition is that the first one is it's usually use the expressions of wish over here. Okay, so I wish I had time to, I wish you weren't at home, or I wish he didn't come. So when I say I wish I had time to help, the reality is that I actually have no time to help. And I wish he were at home, but the reality is that he is not at home. And then I wish he didn't come, but he actually come. Okay, so that's the examples for wishes. And for untrue condition, usually it is using the expressions use conditional if condition type 1 and type 2 and type 3. Okay, so using if I were or if I had, for example, and then had I possess plenty of time, I would go to Europe, for example. So something like this. If I had money, I would go to Europe. The reality is I don't have money. And if she were not at home, she could do it. The problem is she was at home. Okay, so that's the example of the wishes and untrue condition in the form of the expressions. Now we'll be looking at the strategy in the next slide. So a very simple strategy for listening for wishes and untrue condition is that pay attention to the second speaker's line that contain wishes and untrue conditions. So second speaker's line usually usually has plenty of information in the listening part A. So the answer is an option which describes or which implies the opposite of the wish or the condition. We'll be looking at the example. There will be two examples for this video. Okay, so the first one is, do you think we'll be able to have a picnic today? Oh, I wish the sky were not so cloudy. So that's what the script says. And then what does the woman mean? So remember when we talk about wish and untrue condition, we talk about the opposite of the statement. So when it says, oh, I wish the sky were not so cloudy. Were not so cloudy over here. Okay, so it says when the sky were not so cloudy, then the reality was that the sky was cloudy. Okay, so which one do you think is implies the same meaning with this one? So it says A, the sky is not very cloudy. B, the sky was cloudier yesterday and today. C, the sky is too cloudy. And D, the sky is rather clear. Then the best answer for these options will be C. Okay, so because this one is not very cloudy, it's actually the contradiction. And then it doesn't say anything about cloudier yesterday and today, and same thing like this one too. It's rather clear, same meaning with A. And then for untrue condition, so there's a script over here. Would you be able to come to the graduation ceremony? Had I all the time, I would definitely come. So what does the woman mean? Had I all the time, I would definitely come. If I had all the time, I would definitely come. The problem is, the reality is, yes, I don't have all the time. Okay, so this one is the if clause in if I had all the time. Yeah, if you want to write it down this way. Okay, so what does the woman mean? That mean she means that she has no time. So let us see which option implies this. So A, maybe she will come. B, she will definitely come. C, it's impossible to go. And D, she is going even if she doesn't have time. Well, the problem is she doesn't have the time, so she cannot go. So the best option to answer this question will be C. It's impossible to come. If it is this one, then she has all the time. Maybe she will come. It doesn't say whether she wants to come or maybe she will not come. And she said this one is quite similar to what we have in B. Okay, so the best answer will be C. Yeah, okay, so that's the end for the video for the material about wishes and answer condition. Here are the references, everyone. Thank you very much.